to learn about how to make smoothie. First, this one is apple, and this one is orange, this one is grapes, and ice, milk, and yogurt. Okay, next I cut the apple and orange, and I washed the grapes, and this one's for the decoration. Open blender and put in here.